Alright, finally I may be able to lay to rest my misfire on my XK8. Unfortunately, you see those words. Made in Chinky Land. Ugh. Well, NGK, I would have thought. Alright guys, come on. Was NGK Japanese? And no, Japanese and China are not the same. Though they both have funny eyes. Oh, was that politically incorrect? Too fucking bad. So, Heko en China, Fabrique en China. Fabrique, I know, is frog for made. Hang on a second. I'm doing this one-handed. If you don't like it, tough shit. This is the first time I'm opening this. So, you know, don't you go squirty on me. Well, it's NGK. NGK is good. Alright, I gotta slice this open and install it. Give me a second. Okay, so it's unwrapped. Here it is, NGK. Looking rather resplendent. I will go get myself some... Come on. Jeez, what's it called? The grease. Electric grease. Not electrolube. Holy shit, brain cell. Dielectric grease. Wow. Takes a while sometimes for these to kick in. Instructions. Please read before installation. Ah, it should just say in big letters, put it in your fucking car. But no, it's done for morons. Oh, what do I do now? Right, let's go get this installed. Alright, here we are under the hood of my XK8. Hopefully the lighting's good enough. It's late at night here, but I just received the package and I can't resist it. Okay, so obviously you need to disconnect this, which you will have seen in my previous video. Yeah, squeeze it, pull it out. And also, obviously, you need to check is you're a 4 or a 2 wire. Obviously, this is a 4. So grabbing your trusty snap-on wrench with extension bar, you grab your 7mm socket and undo the bolts. I've already removed the one on the base, and yes, I've already established this is the coil that has said, yeah, I don't think I want to do this anymore. So that's what I'm replacing. Now you can see I've pulled the wires out of the way. But believe me, I'll put them back in the right position. Now initially, yeah, this happened because I did wash the car. Now the seal along here is good. And also looking down here, excuse me a second, let's pull the coil out. There is no water down there. And I'm sorry if this is kind of tricky at the moment. It's night time here. So here's my nice new coil. Let's slip it in. Also could be now chasing my tail. In other words, I fix one and the next one says, here, I want to be replaced too. Oh, they're not words you hear a lot. Okay, so let's see. Just trying to get shit together here. We're working here, we're working. Hey Dustin. Those of you that don't know, when Dustin Hoffman was doing the movie, oh crap, I can't even remember the name of the damn movie now. And there was the guy with him, John Voight, I think. I was thinking it was John Voight. No, it wasn't. Don't lie to me. It was Tom Cruise, you dickhead. And you know, Dustin was a mentally backward person in some respects, but not in others. And I believe this is the movie, and I believe I'm correct in saying that when they were in New York and they were filming, and they were walking across a side street, it was all kind of cleared, and then some guy, some typical New York asshole, decided he didn't give a shit. And so he cut across with his car, I believe, a taxi maybe, in front of Dustin and Tom Cruise. And Dustin had had enough of it and screamed out, "Hey, we're working here!" Which of course he was, because, well, let's face it, he was making a movie. All right, sorry, digress there. Let's put this on. Hopefully it will connect. Oh damn, I'm not going to have to have sex with a dwarf again, am I? Yeah, they're known as spinners. Think about it, think about it. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, please, no, don't be wrong. Please, 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 please. Go. Oh, Christ, no. Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me. What? Pins? Flat pins? Connector. Lift up. Let's see. Doesn't even want to go on. Oh, there we go. All right. Okay. Oh, this is the German good and tight. Wow. I'm sorry about that. I'm balancing my light. I wasn't blinded by the light, I'm just balancing my light. Wow, that is a fucking snug fit, I'll tell you that right now. Wow. Alright, let me get someone to push it on. Okay, I know the light's going to be bad here, but let's see. New coil is installed. Turn shit on. Okay, hood's open. Yes, it is. Oh, fucking beautiful. We are now firing on all 8 cylinders. Ignore the check engine light, that's because it doesn't know that I've fixed the problem. Now I could go and clear that. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, listen to her, baby. Listen to her. Oh, isn't she so good? Oh, thank fuck for that. Yeah, I know, still got an oil leak to deal with and all the other niggly bigglies, but this is my run around beautiful Jaguar baby. I love her dearly. Yeah, it's got a little vibration there when she's running. That's okay. I must admit, it probably could do with new plugs and shit like that. But that's for another day. You can hear that, can't you? Yeah, she's running good. We got good oil pressure, battery's charging, half a tank of gas just over, temperature's down, of course it would be. We're probably ticking over around 800, maybe 850. Let's give it some blips, shall we? and then she settles back straight away. Alright, so tomorrow I'll clear the check engine light. I'll read them first just to make sure, but I lay odds it was just that misfire, and that is now gone, as you can tell. She's running. Oh, now she's really smoothed out. That's sweet. This is such a beautiful car. Alright guys, get out of the garage, do your shit.